Hi, and welcome to this recording of our fifth semester shader project. I am Matthias, and I'm with Casper
That's me.
from the fifth semester. Well, we want to talk about how we created our Toon shader, but before we get to that, we first want to make a quick disclaimer. We did use online resources to get inspiration and help with the project. We used Unity Cookie and Unity Wiki a lot, just as a little disclaimer here. Alright, so first off, let's talk about what a Toon shader is.
Yeah. What is a Toon shader and what are the problems it can solve? Like in a big company where if you wanted to make a game look like a cartoon, it could be way easier to use a Toon shader than have to draw every single object and character in the game or movie.
Yeah, we're very impractical.
The Toon shader works
Yeah, it's right here. No, go.
can I easy a bit?
Nah, fuck. Okay, we're gonna keep going here. Alright, so before you move on, also, it solves the problem of the uncanny valley. It might be really difficult to create a photorealistic game, so in some cases it's better to go for a stylized solution. And you're gonna talk about what it
Yes.
does.
The Toon shader is a non-photorealistic shader, and it mimics a hand drawing, so it makes the object looks like were actually drawn by hand. Uh, they always have very hard gradients, which gives them the cartoony look, and usually they're also built with outlines. Usually black is used for outline, but also other colors can be used. In our shader though, we have chosen not to use the outliner and focus on the gradients of the colors.
Um, let's quickly talk about some state of the art here. So what you can see here on the left on our screen, or the left character rather on our screen, is actually Unity's inbuilt shader, which messes around with the gradients, but it also has this black outline, as you can see. The way it creates this outline is by actually rendering the 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 polygons that are not facing towards the camera, so the ones you can't see, and then actually expanding them in the normal direction, making it bigger than the actual figure. And afterward, it then renders the figure on top of that, so you get this black outline. Now there are other ways of doing it. One way is called, let me see that in my notes right here. It's called silhouette enhancement, which does it by setting the color of the outline differently. And some examples of games and productions using the cartoon or cell shader, as is also known, are, for example, some of the Telltale games. I'll show you some of these right here, and Borderlands, as you see right here. And we also have a newly released game for PC called Valkyria Chronicles, and as well as Dragon Ball Z. So you can see this art style is very cartoonish. Now our shader, as Casper just said, has no outline, and it was written primarily in the fragment function of our code, which we will go into in the next video. This makes sure that the result is more smooth and basically a higher fidelity, but it also taxes the computer more for its resources. And yeah, I want to stop it here, and then in the next video go into the code.
Sure, let's do that.
Alright, see you in part 2.
See ya.